Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to start taking pre-workout. First, it's crucial to understand what's in your supplement. Many contain caffeine, creatine, and amino acids, which can boost energy and focus. Always begin with a very small dose, perhaps 1/4 or 1/2 of a scoop, to see how your body reacts. This helps prevent adverse effects like jitters or an upset stomach. Remember, everyone's tolerance is different, so listen to your body. Timing is key for optimal results. Aim to take your pre-workout about 20 to 30 minutes before you begin your exercise routine. This allows enough time for the ingredients to be absorbed and take effect. Proper hydration is also vital. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Lastly, be mindful of when you take it. Consuming pre-workout too late in the day can disrupt your sleep patterns due to stimulants like caffeine. Once you've assessed your tolerance, you can gradually increase your dosage, but never exceed the manufacturer's recommended serving size. More isn't always better, and excessive amounts can lead to negative side effects. To maintain effectiveness and prevent your body from building a tolerance, consider cycling off pre-workout for a week or two every few months. This break allows your system to reset, ensuring you continue to feel the benefits when you resume. Always listen to your body and be aware of any unusual side effects, such as dizziness, nausea, or heart palpitations. If you experience these, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Remember, pre-workout is a supplement, not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and consistent training for sustainable energy and performance. Also, for those looking to enhance their home environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.